What's good, YouTube? Man, it's your boy Young Dub, man. Finally got what I've been waiting on. Finally got her open. This may be the worst unboxing video ever, but I don't care. I finally got my Orion SPLX 3K amp. Y'all know I did the video the other day with the little teaser talking about just rip it open. The reason why I did that was because it came packed the Kingdom Come, man. So I was just looking at like whatever I could do to get it open. So we finally here. Got her open. We're on the floor because she's heavy as shit. I know, we all know Big D Wiz did a dyno video on the amp with the measurements and showing what kind of power this thing makes, which is ridiculously crazy compared for this to be a 3,000 watt amp, man. But it's one thing. Everything is one thing until you see it in person. That's the best way I can put it. You see something on the internet like, oh man, that's cool. You see it in person, you're like, damn, that's a lot. But finally got her here. Like I said, I already opened it, but I'll still, I guess, basically look at this as an unboxing video, man, because some of the stuff is still in the plastic. So, open the base knob already, but trust me, this thing is probably something that should come with the freaking Lego set. It's plastic. It's just crappy. We already knew that, but this thing is so bad it's not even worth looking at. But I guess I'll open it and just show y'all, like, if this thing rolled down some stairs, you wouldn't know it because it's that damn flimsy. It's just, they could have saved themselves some money without even putting that in there, man. That thing is totally useless, but this is all that matters right here, man. Certificate of birth. My amp came in at 3,258 watts at 12.6 volts, of course. They got that tested at 1 ohm. Y'all know me. I have the Hippo XLR. It's a dual 2 ohm. I'll get another one sooner or later. So I'll definitely be running the amp at 0.5. But back there is the reason why we shouldn't have any issues. We got a ton of power cable, all OFC. That you'll notice all I run. So sooner or later we'll get this thing up and going, and it'll be at 0.5. But of course with box rise, she should easily see 1 ohm, man. It shouldn't be an issue. This thing, all of this stuff came together as far as the hardware. Mounted hardware has got 3 Allen keys. I'm assuming 1 for the remote, 1 for the speaker wire, and then 1 for the with the triple power and triple ground input. So we'll get to that soon. Came with a data link cable and the owner's manual. The owner's manual is actually more impressive than the damn bass knob. But that's what we've been waiting on right there. We finally got the Orion 3000.1D SPLX. She's brand new, brand spanking new, man. Like I said, I just got out the box, but I had to take it out the box, man. This thing is heavy, and it just would make it easier for me to shoot the video here. So let me get her on her side so we can take a look at her and take a look at the Tiffany style RCAs and triple ground inputs and all that good stuff there. Just a minute, let me get this thing propped back up. Will it stay? Maybe it will. Alright, so like I said, she's heavy. This side here, we have our triple inputs for your ground, triple inputs for your power, your remote right there where my thumb's at, and then your speaker wire on the very end. And we'll flip her over. Y'all just got to work with me on this video. Like I said, she's heavy. I just got off work, so I'm not trying to do too much heavy lifting anymore, man. Y'all know I deliver all the pop in America. So, on this side, we got the Tiffany style RCAs. You got your gain, subsonic on and off button, bass boost. We don't use that. Damn, let me get it down so y'all can see the stuff. Low pass filter, your phase, master slave mode, data link, and then the little remote deal at the end. I'm not tripping about the remote wire deal because I'm going to use something like SPL cartel, something like that. So I'm not going to use, definitely not going to use that Orion stuff, man. But there she is. Definitely in full effect, like I said, man. I'm so happy to have this amp. We're another step forward in the build, man. So all I got to do now, pretty much figure out what I want to do with the sub enclosure, man. I got a guy, like I said, I've been talking to him about doing a custom box. Kind of got to work out some details with him, see what happens with that. Let's see, I got on my power cable. Obviously got to get the other sub, as far as the massive Hippo XLR. Got to get her a sister so both of them can have a fat ass together and get pushed real good with this thing right here. So we'll get that up and rolling, man. All I can say is just stay tuned, man. Y'all know how I'm doing it. Every update I got, I try to keep it in the video. And like I said, I had ordered these heat shrinks the other day. Got these finally came in, and just waiting on stuff, man. I got mostly everything I need as far as power cable. I'm gravy on power cable. I'm not buying no more of that stuff. Heat shrinks, I should be good on those. Like I said, the only thing I can see me buying right now is the other sub and whatever I decide to do with this the sub enclosure, man. But I obviously got to get a high output alternator because I plan on running this at 0.5. Definitely going to wait on Black Friday for that. I'm not going to pay full price when I can mess around and save $200 to $300, so I'll wait on that. And we'll go from there, man. But right now, the main focus, we got a big red and black amp with some silver or some white writing on there. I don't know. I don't care. At the end of the day, I just want this thing to be loud as hell. Right now, I'm about to go out and hit these streets. Not going to mess with this. I'll probably just leave this here tonight, man. But maybe tomorrow I can do an update video. Or sooner or later, I don't know. If I order some more stuff, I'll do an update video. We'll flip the amp over and we'll do a shot of the guts and go from there, man. But you know how I do it, man. It's your boy, Young Dub. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up, man. I always try to hit y'all back, man. We just got another step forward. We got Orion. I'm in the Army, man. It's your boy, Young Dub. I'm out.